trying to make my hair like look half decent because these braids are starting to get a little out of control. All right. Am I ready? Hey y'all, it's Ari. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. Actually, I'm gonna wait till the end of the video to tell you guys to subscribe because obviously you don't know if you enjoy my content if you're new here. But at the end, you better hit that subscribe button because you are gonna like this content that I create. Today, I'm gonna do a creative makeup look. I'm getting back into makeup. I took a quick break, not a quick, it was like more like 2 months, 3 months break from makeup because I don't know, I just haven't been like, I haven't had the inspiration for like doing a makeup look or anything, and two, I just simply haven't been in the mood. Like I haven't just been feeling like it lately, but now I'm back in the mood, I'm back in the spirit to do a nice colorful makeup beat for you guys. And if that's something you guys are interested in, then just continue watching. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and have your post notifications turned on. That way you never miss an upload from me. I almost guarantee you that you're gonna, if you like makeup, you're gonna enjoy my content. So definitely subscribe and have those post notifications on. And let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to start with the Makeup Revolution concealer to prime my eyes. This is in the shade C1, and this is just a bright concealer. If you've been watching my videos, you already know that I like to use a white or at least a light enough base or a light enough concealer to prime my eyes because I like to use a white concealer or a light one at least because I know that the lighter it is, like the more bright your colorful shadows will pop on your eyes. Alright guys, so a rainbow look. Right now in front of me I have the EYN Bright palette, and let me show you guys what that looks like. So the EYN Bright palette, oh my gosh, look how beautiful those colors are. I'm definitely gonna use this palette for the look today because look at all those rainbow colors. Like, I could literally use every color in this palette and call it a look. But I don't know what to start off with, so I might get some inspiration. Let me get back with you guys and see if I want to recreate another Anyways look. Alright, so I'm going to take the shade Head Over Heels in the palette and I'm just going to apply that to my outer corner. Next, I'm going into this brighter red shade right next to the first one I took, and this one is called Hot Stuff. And I'm just going to apply that right next to the red right here. I'm going to use the same brush because like it's red on red, so might as well. So next I'm going to take the shade Heat Wave, and I'm just going to apply that right next to this. Alright, and now I'm going to take this bright yellow shade and I'm just going to apply that in the inner part of my eyelids. By the way guys, I didn't find any color inspiration from another anyway, so I am just, excuse the talking in the background, my sister and my mom are chatting, and anyways, I am doing my own look out of my own thoughts and my own brains and everything. This is not like a recreation of any look, this is just all coming from my brain. I am about to cut thy crease thy cut. But I cannot find the concealer. Oh, it's right here. I just need to look. I literally just need to look. I don't know why I did that because it was right in front of my face. And I'm just going to cut both of my creases. And guys, my goal for this look is to do like a halo eye, like a rainbow halo eye. So let's see how this works out. Hopefully it looks right. It better, because I don't got the time for it to not look right. Alright, so I'm going back in with that dark red shade, and I'm just going to start filling in the blank space here. I work my way to the middle, if that makes sense. But you know what I'm talking about. Hold up, hold up, hold up. So then I'm gonna take this orange shade right here and put that in the inner part of my eye. Alright, now I'm taking the white in the palette, just the white right here, and I'm just gonna apply that right in the center. I know the look looks very crazy right now, but you gotta bear with me. You gotta let me get a chance to complete the look. I'm gonna take some eyeliner. This is the NYX matte liner, and I'm just gonna do like I might do like one of them smoked eyeliner. And, wow, my camera's already gonna die. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna do my face makeup off camera, and I'll be back with the doing the lower lash line in my inner corner and my lashes and all that stuff. So I'll be right back. I'm back with my face makeup done, and I don't know how I feel about the highlight because it only shines like when I turn my face. I don't really like it so much face forward because it kind of like, I know you guys can see what I'm talking about. Like, it makes my cheeks look very weird. In pictures, it'll look good, trust me. Trust and believe. Moving on to the lower lash line. I want to do a rainbow. On Instagram, I did like one of those little question things and said like, what type of makeup should I do? And like 2 of you guys said rainbow. So I'm doing rainbow today. By the way, follow me on Instagram. It's Beautybyjoliee with 2 E's. Okay, so I don't know what to take. I'm gonna take like these 2 green colors. Right here, these 2, and I'm gonna put that under my lower lash line. And I'm gonna take this blue right here in the palette. It's kind of like a shimmery shade, but I'm gonna take it and put it right next to the green. I'm taking this shade. This is like a dark purple shade. And for the inner corner, I'm going to take this shade right here. It is called Rise and Shine right here. And I'm just going to pop that into my inner corner. I kind of wasn't feeling like the white, just like pure white in the middle. So I'm going to take a little bit of pink and like pop that in the middle, like pink shimmer. So I think I might combine, I think I might take this color here. This is called Sweet Escape. And this color right here, which is called Candid Candy Floss. This looks the exact same. For lashes, I'm going to take the Flawless Ambitions lashes in the style Fashionista. This is what the lashes look like. I'm just going to apply that to my eyes. So the lashes are put on, and guys, I love this look so far. It is so colorful. It was so colorful. It's so colorful. For lips, I don't know if I want to do like a nude or a black and be extra bold, but let's see. I'm taking the ColourPop Friday lipstick, and I am going to apply that all over my lips. I am obsessed with this look, and I'm in the middle of making a TikTok. You guys should follow me on TikTok. It's just Beautybyjoliee, and yeah, just follow me. And I'm gonna be making like makeup TikToks, if that makes sense. So let me finish this. Guys, look at my TikTok. Oh my god, I'm loving it. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. My camera's dying, so I gotta hurry up with this outro. But if you like this rainbow makeup look and you want to see more makeup looks like this from me, be sure to subscribe and have your post notifications turned on. That way you're notified every single time that I upload. Also, leave a comment down below what you thought of this video. Did you like it? Did you hate it? I don't care. Also, leave some suggestions for some future videos of mine, and I'll be sure to make some videos regarding those suggestions. And that's basically it. Hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. Be sure to follow me on all my social medias: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. I'm now doing TikTok now, so follow me on all those platforms. I'll be sure to link them down below. Also, subscribe to my boyfriend and I's channel, where we're gonna post pranks, vlogs, other types of fun videos like that, and just like lifestyle, funny, comedy type videos like that. So if you're into couples and stuff like that, I suggest that you follow and subscribe to our channel. We're gonna be posting a lot of content for you guys, so just look out for that if you're interested. But that is all I have to say. Have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys. What you doing, girl, with all that? Ooh, and then